Birthday Lolo, I love you. Birthday Papa, I love you. Ito yung Papa. Ito yung Papa, Papa. Are you Papa? Go. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Ronnie!
Happy birthday, Papa! We love you!
Hi Papa, happy birthday. Ikaw ang pinakamahusay na ama sa buong mundo. Mahal na mahal kita pa. Ingat ka po lagi kung saan ka man pumunta. Sa trabaho man o sa labas. I love you pa. I miss you so much. Sorry po hindi po ako nakauwi. Mwah! I love you. Hi pa, happy birthday po. I love you so much Papa. Ingat ka po palagi. I love you. Happy birthday. Birthday. Happy birthday. Bigyan mo ko ng Alfonso. Bigyan mo ko ng anak. Bigyan mo ko.
Wishing you more strength and good health. Stay tuned. Love you.
Hello pa, happy birthday po. Ingat po kayo palagi. Enjoy your day. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana huwag mo na mainit ang ulo ngayong araw. Love you.
Happy birthday pa. Ingat palagi. Ngayon, di ako makakauwi kasi mahal yung pamasahe papuntang Pinas eh. Ayaw ko payagan ni bossing natin eh. Kaya ayun, galingan mo palagi. Peace. Happy birthday pa. Ingat palagi. I wish you, I love you. Happy birthday pa. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday.
Have fun, take care.
Machiavelli. Bitches come and go, but you know I stay.
Happy birthday pa. Ingat palagi and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday pa. Ingat ka palagi. Stay strong. Stay strong. I love you. Happy birthday.
Hello pa, unang-una sa lahat, happy birthday at stay strong palagi, ingat ka palagi. Okay na po.
Hi pa, happy 52 birthday. I hope you can cut down your drinking and smoking and stay healthy and strong. Again, happy birthday pa. Mwah.
Maugmang kumpleanyo, Tito Ronnie. The best.
Hi to Ronnie, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and wishing you a day filled with love, laughters, and all your favorite things. Keep safe, love ya.
Happy birthday, Tito. Ingat ka po palagi sa work mo. Wishing you a healthy and long life. Again, happy birthday po. We love you.
Hi po. Happy birthday. Ingat po kayo palagi.
Hi pa, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Che. Happy birthday, Papa Che. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang mabiyaya at blessing na dumarating sa atin. Tiyaga lang, sipag lang. Believe kami sa iyo dahil napakasipag mo. Sana lagi kang malusog at healthy. Iwas-iwas na ambisyon para iwas sakit din. Papa Che, I love you and more birthdays to come.